One of the most important aspects of Databricks is feature store. It's a way or a place or a methodology to find and share features of data sets consistently across teams, across models for model training and inference. This is something which you must remember, because this is a question which is asked a lot of times, that what is feature store and why we use it. So if you have a use case which has time series or which requires point in time correctness, then the application of feature store is very critical and useful, because it's point in time correctness, and for that you need a place where the integrity of data with respect to the time at which it was collected or processed, whatever the versioning is up to date. So you go to the data at whatever point of time you need the data. It solves so many problems associated with data science modeling that you can't even begin to think of. And as you might have guessed so far with this description, it has a capability of automatic retrieval of features for batch scoring and online inference. And feature store tables are stored in Unity Catalog. And let's talk about Unity Catalog in a different video.